Hello, everybody. Ryan Leusch, Chief Technology Officer at S2A Modular. Today, we're going to talk about something called organic building materials. This is a really exciting piece. This is next level thinking and really doing things that help our environment and really go real deep into the green building. So what are organic building materials? Well, it's what it is. We're using building materials that are organic. We're not having to use lumber all of the time, right? We're trying to preserve natural resources. So we actually manufacture and have our own building materials that we use. And there's some big advantages. First, for cost, right? For your square foot price that you're going to pay, there's a cost benefit to alleviating lumber when you can and using this. And the benefits are, well, it's a lot stronger. It's a lot lighter. The cost, again, is there, but it's also a fire reflective material. And that's obviously a huge benefit. And you don't have to worry about things like mildew and dry rot. What about pests, termites? That comes into play. These organic building materials also absorb CO2. So your parts per million on your home of those kind of carbonizations is a lot lower. And decarbonization is obviously a big thing to be concerned with. Another big factor is that, when we talk about millimeter cut tolerances, strength of home is a big deal. And S2A, we know FEMA recommends modular builds in disaster areas. But when you start using things like organic building materials, they actually fossilize. They become stronger in time. Your building or your home's going to be stronger in 10 years than the day it was built because of this fossilization. So that's a real big consideration. And all of these things that organic building materials bring is really a difference changer. And we're really proud to bring these out and spend a lot of time with our engineers and scientists to bring these formulas to fruition. And I think it's a real big plus that, it really adds a next layer to green building. So thank you for joining us for the Modular Minute. Just wanted to talk about that for a second.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thanks so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy, smart homes, and how you can become involved as an investor. Click the link below to register. See you there.